You think she can repair it, Mr. Fibuli?
Well, sir, in my opinion, it's irreparable. But it occurs to me she must have something similar aboard her own vessel.
Hill, what is your diagnosis? Can it be repaired?
Repaired? Yes, I should think so. You'd have to ask the doctor, though.
Doctor? Are there more intruders upon this planet?
Oh, yes, I'm only his assistant. He's the one you should be talking to. Or rather, listening to, if you have the stamina.
All guards on alert! There is an intruder on the planet. His name is the Doctor. I repeat, the Doctor. He must be found and brought to the bridge instantly.
We must find the Doctor.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
I'm the Doctor. Delighted to meet you. Heard so much about what a splendid chap you are. I see you've met my assistant, Romana. Getting on like a house on fire, are you? She's a lovely girl. What a splendid place you've got here. Are you having a spot of bother?
Seize him!
Such hospitality. I'm underwhelmed.
Doctor, beware. Your manner appeals only to the homicidal side of my nature.
My manners are impeccable.
Doctor, I think this is the root of the trouble.
Macromac field integrator? Is the whiz-bang bong on?
Yes, and the ambicyclic photon bridge.
And the ambicyclic photon. Would you mind if I examined its locus?
Locus?
Locus.
Yes, Captain.
Release him! Take them to the engine room. If they make one mistake, kill them.
Oh, Mr. Fibuli?
Whoa. Look at that, Romana.
Amazing. I suppose you're going to tell me you've seen it all before.
No, actually. Not like this.
Really?
Really? No, I suspected something of the kind. Come on, let's look busy. I know.
What do you mean What do you mean you suspected?
Gravitic anomalizing input reading 9.5.
Gravitic anomalizing input 9.5, check.
I mean, I had my suspicions.
You mean you knew they were here? You knew that this mountain's really a spaceship and it's broken down?
More or less, yes.
But how? How did you know?
Well, I just put 1.795372 and 2.204628 together.
And what does that mean?
4.
4?
What are they after, Captain? What do they want here?
That is what we must find out. We must let them lead us into their vessel. My guards have tried to gain entry to it, but have failed. So, we must allow them a little rope.
Romana. We are in very, very, very great danger.
What, from the captain?
Yes.
Oh, he's just a terrible old bully. All that by the evil nose of the sky demon nonsense is just bluster.
The captain is a very clever and very dangerous man. He's playing with us. Wants to find out why we've come here.
The reason why we've come here is to find the second segment of the key, in case you'd forgotten. Getting involved in all this...
The only way to find it. What does the tracer say?
I just don't understand it. It seems to give out a continuous signal wherever we go.
That's it, then.